Hi everybody, from Costa. This is video 101 with the scrapping metal video series. But I just wanted you to see what's in the background. Whoa, the Korean bell. So I let people know what you do, and then they ask you to do it for them. And I swear, this metal almost jumps into the back of the truck. Let's see how we do today. Thanks for coming along. Like, share, comment, subscribe, punch that like button on the bottom. Let's go hustle. I'll be honest, I've never seen the hill this big. Man alive. Mountain of Steel. Let's go make a new Toyota. Just get a feeling of it. I hope it don't fall down. Be safe. All right, there we have it, kids. That's the tail of the tape. 820 pounds, 170 bucks a gross ton, June 5th. Cool 62 bucks. Get out there and hustle, strap those loads, and be safe. Catch you on the next one.